Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a competitive exam math question based on algebra. Solve for x given the equation 3 raised to x plus 1 plus 3 raised to x minus 1 is equal to 90. So here in this question, we have to basically find out the value of x. And to solve this question, we have to make use of some laws of indices. So here basically we need just two laws of index. The first one is a to the power of m plus n is equal to, now if there is addition in the powers, it changes into multiplication, that is a to the power of m times a to the power of n. Now a represents the base and m and n represents the powers or exponents. And the second law we are going to use here is a to the power of m minus n, which changes as a to the power of m over a to the power of n. Now using these two laws, let us start solving the left hand side. So for the first term, we have used the first law, that is 3 raised to x plus 1 becomes 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 1 plus, now for the second term, we have used the second law. So it becomes 3 to the power of x over 3 raised to 1 equal to 90. Now we can just write it as 3 raised to x times 3 raised to 1 is 3 itself plus 3 raised to x over 3 raised to 1 is 3 itself equal to 90. Now once we have got this, let us take a common LCM. That is, we are going to divide the first term by 1 and we are going to multiply the numerator by 3 because we can see here the denominator is 3. So multiplying the numerator by 3 and also the denominator by 3, we are going to get 3 raised to x times, now 3 times 3 we have written it as 9 plus 3 raised to x. Now we have a common denominator, that is 3 equal to 90. Now for the next step, we are going to take this denominator 3 on the right hand side so that it multiplies with 90. So here we get 3 raised to x times 9 plus 3 raised to x is equal to 3 times 90 gives us 270. Now we are going to factorize the left hand side. That is, we can see that 3 raised to x is a common factor in the first term and second term. So here we have written 3 to the power of x, we have taken it outside as a common factor. And from the first term, 9 has remained. Plus, now from the second term, we have taken 3 raised to x outside. So we get 1 as the remaining factor. So here we have got 3 raised to x times 9 plus 1 is equal to 270. Now further simplifying this, we get 3 raised to x is equal to 270. Now 9 plus 1 was 10. So we have taken 10 on the right hand side. So it divides 270. So here 10 1 times is 10 and 10 27 times is 270. So we get 3 raised to x is equal to 27. Now 27 can be written as a power of 3. That is 3 raised to 3 or 3 cube is 27. So here we have written 3 raised to x is equal to 3 to the power of 3. Now here the bases have become same. That is 3 and 3 are same. So we can just cancel off the bases so that we can equate the powers. So we get the value of x here as 3. So this is the value of x that will make the left hand side equal to the right hand side. That is x equal to 3. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video interesting, then check out this playlist. You'll find more examples of this kind and I hope you'll enjoy them. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.